Have you ever pondered how secure your digital life is? In this rapidly evolving digital era, cyber threats are becoming more sophisticated and rampant. Today we are witnessing an alarming rise in ransomware attacks, where hackers hold your data hostage until a ransom is paid. Phishing scams too are gaining momentum. Crafty cybercriminals are exploiting human curiosity and fear to trick people into revealing sensitive information. Then we have data breaches, incidents where confidential data is accessed without authorization, causing significant harm to individuals and organizations alike. But it doesn't stop there. Emerging risks are continually shaping the cyber threat landscape of 2023. Deepfakes, AI-generated misinformation, and IoT vulnerabilities are just a few examples. These threats have far-reaching impacts across various sectors, from finance to healthcare, disrupting lives and economies. Understanding these threats is the first step towards creating a secure digital world. So let's dive deeper and explore how we can navigate this complex cyber terrain. Now, knowing the threats, how do we guard ourselves? Well, the answer lies in a comprehensive cybersecurity framework. It's akin to a digital fortress, built to protect our data and digital identities from the relentless onslaught of cyber threats. This fortress stands on four fundamental pillars: prevention, detection, response, and recovery. Prevention is all about reducing vulnerabilities, fortifying defenses, and making ourselves a less attractive target. Detection involves using sophisticated tools to identify and neutralize threats before they wreak havoc. Response is about managing a security incident in a way that limits damage and reduces recovery time and costs. Finally, recovery is the process of restoring normal operations and implementing measures to prevent future occurrences. Many organizations have successfully implemented this framework. Experts in the field agree that a multi-layered approach, combining these four pillars, is the most effective way to tackle the ever-evolving cyber threats. Remember, a robust cybersecurity framework is the backbone of a secure digital environment. But what tools do we have to fight these threats? In the ever-evolving world of cybersecurity, we're not just sitting ducks. We have formidable weapons in our arsenal. One of the game changers is AI-driven cybersecurity. With its ability to predict, detect, and respond to threats faster than any human ever could, artificial intelligence is turning the tides in our favor. Then there's blockchain, a technology that's not just for cryptocurrency anymore. By creating immutable, transparent records, blockchain is bolstering trust and security in digital transactions across industries. We also have encryption, the tried and true method of turning readable data into coded information. It's like a secret language only you and your computer understand, keeping prying eyes at bay. And let's not forget other cutting-edge solutions like biometrics and quantum computing that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in cybersecurity. These technologies are being implemented across sectors, fortifying defenses and enhancing security. Embracing advanced cybersecurity technologies is key to staying ahead of cyber threats. So, what are the rules of the game in cybersecurity? In this ever-evolving digital landscape, regulations play a vital role in maintaining order and security. Over time, we've seen the regulatory landscape adapt and change to keep up with emerging threats and technology advancements. For businesses and individuals alike, it's more crucial than ever to stay informed about these changes. These regulations aren't just arbitrary rules set by faceless entities. They're designed by experts who understand the intricacies of cybersecurity threats and the potential consequences if those threats are left unchecked. They're here to help us navigate the complex terrain of cybersecurity and ensure that our digital assets are protected. Legal and compliance experts underline the importance of adhering to these regulations. It's not just about avoiding penalties or fines. It's about maintaining a resilient and secure digital environment. So remember, adherence to cybersecurity regulations is not just a legal requirement, but also a crucial aspect of a secure digital world. So, how do we build a future that is cyber resilient? Our journey starts with embracing best practices for our own personal cybersecurity. Simple measures like setting strong, unique passwords, regularly updating software, and being mindful of phishing attempts can significantly boost our defenses, but it doesn't stop there. Organizations, from small businesses to multinational corporations, need to prioritize cybersecurity too. That means implementing robust cybersecurity frameworks, staying up to date with the latest threats, and investing in cutting-edge technologies to stay one step ahead of attackers. It also means fostering a culture of cybersecurity awareness among employees, because every single one of us can be a line of defense against cyber threats. Staying informed about the evolving cyber threat landscape is crucial. Cybersecurity isn't a one-time fix, it's an ongoing commitment. The key to a cyber-resilient future lies in our actions today. Together we can build a secure digital world.